Welcome back to the farm. Hello, Jersey, on this chilly November day. How are you? So this is what our northern winters look like here in Sudbury, Ontario at Huard Farms. We've got a whole lot of chickens that are walking on the edge. They do not want to be involved in this snow stuff. And I'm working our new filming equipment. Try to give everybody a shot of what we go through here every day on the farm and check out all the cool animals. Turkey's protesting. I don't think she likes the snow too much. And we got these guys over here, our layers. They're like, we ain't coming out. You gotta shovel the snow for us. We're shortly going to be setting up our little covered tent here. Oh, we got Ding and Honey out here causing trouble. And Jersey playing with Louie. Hey Louie, how's it going today, buddy? Walking along pretty slow in this little slow moving. Jersey, today is time to open up the duck area and vent the duck area. Come on in with Dad. Oh, hello, big guy. Hey, Hank. This is Hank. Hank, our big giant rooster. And all our wonderful silkies in here calling out to us, saying hello, saying good morning, I'm sure. So our tour of the farm today is gonna have this wonderful new equipment, and we're just trying it out, doing a test run. Everybody's kind of frosty. We're gonna get this tent set up as well, and it's hilarious. These guys are just hanging out on the edge. They don't want to go any further than what they have to, and the geese are just over there mocking them. And our trusty friend Emmy, Ding the nuisance, keep us up to date for today with all the new snowfalls.